The B2B marketing game on YouTube has evolved, and if you're not using YouTube Shorts, your brand is already behind. I'm Martin Simpson, and after studying B2B video strategies across multiple industries, I'll be showing you what actually converts and what's just noise. In this video, I'm going to show you how smart brands are using YouTube Shorts to grab attention, build authority, and lead viewers straight into long-form videos that convert. So hit that like button and let's jump straight into why YouTube Shorts is changing the B2B video game. Here's the truth. B2B organizations are already integrating video into their marketing strategies, with 62% of them using YouTube as a core channel. Not enough of them are using YouTube Shorts, quite often associating it with Gen Z, memes, and dance videos. And that's what B2B growth marketer Michael Glinka calls an absolute mistake. He said, even though Shorts is crowded with trends and reactions, future buyers are watching. The early B2B companies tiptoeing into Shorts are already winning. In my 2025 analysis of a B2B company in the manufacturing sector, integrating YouTube Shorts led to a 39.75% uptick in total viewership compared to the previous year. And that's simply by repurposing long-form content into short, punchy, top-of-funnel assets. Think of YouTube Shorts as your content front door. It's getting people in. Then your long-form content, which is your pillar content, that's what keeps them around. The fact is that right now buyer confidence is at an all-time low, and executives are being more cautious, taking longer to engage and researching a lot harder than they used to before ever talking to sales. And that's exactly where short-form video shines. YouTube Shorts let you show, not just tell, whether it's a quick machine demo, a one-line customer quote, a safety tip from your engineer. Every short builds micro-trust. So don't underestimate small human stories, because in 2025, trust is built in 15 seconds or less. Otherwise, you simply get swiped. Let's talk strategy. A study by Viola et al. Found that YouTube Shorts outperform long-form content by over 100 times in viewership. This makes them ideal for top-of-funnel, discovery, awareness, and reach. Then your long-form content builds depth, authority, and conversion. Let's take a look at the companies that nail this hybrid funnel model. Let's take a look at Caterpillar. Their long-form videos focus on sustainability stories, product walkthroughs, and safety tutorials. And then their shorts, quick machine demos, maintenance tips, and short highlights teasing these bigger videos. The result, the long form builds emotion, and the short form keeps the brand in motion. Next is the Blackstone Group. Their long-form content delivers high-value thought leadership and global insight. And their shorts, for example, their Between Two Meetings series, they humanize the brand and make complex finance relatable. Next is a pretty big brand in Shopify. Shopify's long-form content often show documentaries and founder interviews that build authority. Their shorts, they're rapid e-commerce tips, trend breakdowns, and My Shopify story clips. It's a series. This two-tier strategy turns YouTube into a funnel ecosystem, not just a video library. But here's also something that B2B marketers also miss. Because YouTube Shorts are integrated directly with Google Search, every title, description, and tag can help you rank on both YouTube and Google. Even though nowadays you can see both Instagram and TikTok videos available on your Google searches, they don't get the benefit of first-party integration, meaning your videos can show up on Google's video carousel or even featured snippets. And that's a long-term discovery that most B2B marketers are missing out on. The bottom line is that companies that use YouTube Shorts as a serious growth channel are already seeing benefits of up to 20% higher conversion rates compared to those who are ignoring it. But this isn't about chasing trends. It's about creating short-form storytelling to build trust, visibility, and momentum, all within the ecosystem your buyers already live in. So if you want your B2B business to stand out, stop thinking about YouTube Shorts as simply an afterthought. Start thinking about them as your most powerful entry point, because the companies that move first will earn the attention that everyone else is still trying to buy. I'm Martin Simpson, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of B2B marketing and strategy. If you want to learn more, visit my website at martinsimpson.com, where you can get all marketing insights, whether it's SEO, branding, advertising, social media. It's all there waiting for you. See you next time.